सर्वेषु सर्वदा सरस्वती नमस्तुभ्यं वरदे कामरूपिणि विद्यारम्भं करिष्यामि सिद्धिर्भवतु मे सदा साक्षात्कृतं दयानन्दं परमार्थस्वरूपिणं तत्त्वज्ञानप्रशास्तारं प्रणतोऽस्मि परं पदं वागर्थाविव सम्पृक्तौ वागर्थप्रतिपत्तये जगतः पितरौ वन्दे पार्वती परमेश्वरौ येनाक्षरसमाम्नायम् अधिगम्य महेश्वरात् कृत्स्नं व्याकरणं प्रोक्तं तस्मै पाणिनये नमः। वाक्यकारं वररुचिं भाष्यकारं पतञ्जलिं पाणिनिं सूत्रकारं च प्रणतोऽस्मि मुनित्रयम्। ॐ सहना भवतु सहनौ भुनक्तु सह वीर्यं करवावहै तेजस्विनावधीतमस्तु मा विद्विषावहै। ॐ शान्तिः शान्तिः शान्तिः।
अल्पाक्षरम् असंवित्तं सारवत्विश्वतोमुखम् अस्तोभम् अनवद्यं च सूत्रं सूत्रविदो विदुः। I un, rilik, e om, I ouch, I avarat, yan, nama nananam,
yama mandanam nananam, yama mandanam,
nyama nananam, jamai ghadadash, jabagadash, kha cha tha tha cha cha tha kapai shasasal hal ihimaheshwarani sutrani akuva visarjaniyānam kantava ichuyashanam talu riturashanam murdha riturasanam dantaha upu upatmaniyānam oshau nyamanam nasikacha evaitoho kantakalu odautoho kantoshtam akarasya dantoshtam.
Dantaoshtam or Dantaoshtam? Anything?
Dantoshtam.
If you are joining, Dantaoshtam. Otherwise, Dantaoshtam.
Jihvamulyasya jihvamulyam.
1 minute. Can you join or can you leave it as it is? Kanta Oshtam. Option is there? Oh, sorry. Oh, it just came from my room like that. I got late. Odautovo Kanta Oshtam. Can you join or this option is there?
Option is there.
Not you can join. You must join. Because you must join. In the beginning, for your understanding, I split Kanta Oshtam. One word. Within the word Samaza is Nityam. To be done, should be done. So, you can join Kanta Oshtam, Danta Oshtam. You can chant like that. In the beginning, to show you Kanta Oshta, two things are there. That's why your hyphen is there. You won't write like this. Kanta Oshtam, Danta Oshtam.
But it's joined.
Where is joined? Where is it joined?
At least in my paper, what I've received.
Okay. If it is joined, it's fine, but here it is not joined.
Oh, yes, yes, yes.
Yeah, next one. Please chant.
Nasika anuswarasya.
Here, is it should be joined or leave it as it is?
Leave it up.
It's choice. Because Nasika is what vibhakti? 1-3 or 3-1 or 1-1?
1-1.
It is 1-1. Nasika means nose. Anusvarasya Nasika bhavati. Sentence. Anusvara is what? The fifth letter of all the classes. That's called Anusvara. Or the Bindu is also called Anusvara. Right? The fifth letter is called Anunasika. Anusvara. Anunasika. Sorry. The fifth letter is called Anunasika. It is not Anusvara. Anuswara is only the dot. Anunasika. Why Anunasika, fifth letter of all the classes? Anu is along with Nasika, along with nose. In addition to the respective, the place of pronunciation of that class, it is pronounced along with nose, nasal. Guttural plus nasal, fifth letter of the first class. Right? Fifth letter of the second class, palatal plus nasal. Anunasika, this is Anuswara, dot. Bindu is Anuswara. So Anuswarasya Nasika Bhavati, sentence. Sixth case, Prathama, Shashti Bhakti Ekavachanam Anuswarasya Nasika. If I give the same thing in English, you should be able to translate. Now you know, you will be able to. In other cases I am saying, the place of pronunciation of Anuswara is nose. Sentence, you have to translate. Anuswarasya Uchcharana Sthanam Nasika Bhavati. Right? Pakarasya Uchcharana Sthanam Dantaushtam Bhavati. Kriyapadam is not there. Why? Why Kriyapadam is not there? Sutra. Sutra will not have Kriyapadam. If Kriyapadam is, Sutra is not a sentence. Kriyapadam, understood. Okay. Otherwise it's not a sutra, it's a sentence. It's a vacuum. Right. Now, chant this one.
Ramo Rajamani Sada Vijayate Ramam Ramesham Bhaje Ramena Vihata Nishachara Chamohu Ramaya Tasmai Namaha Ramanasti Parayanam Parataram Ramasya Dasosmyaham Rame Chittalaya Sada Bhavatu Me O Rama Uddhara.
Mam Uddhara. That is Lot Lakara, 15th lesson, infinitive, what we are going to see maybe later. It's a Lot Lakara. May you lift me up. Patatu patatam patantu. Pata patatam patata. Patani patava patam. Just I'm saying, we'll see. Uddharatu uddharatam uddharantu. Uddhara, that is what it is. You, Matima Purusha. Mam, me. Uddhara, lift. Right? Bho Rama, hey Rama. Mam, Uddhara, lift me up. Give me a lift in life. Okay.
Su Aujas Am Aukshas Tavyam Vis Yevyam Vyas Yasyam Vyas Yas Os Am Ni Os Sup Su Aujas Tip Tas Ji Zip Tas Ta
Kutra Australia. Sip. Sip. Okay. Sip. Tas. Tha.
Mir Vas Mas Ta Atam Cha Thas Atam Vam Vahi Mahi Ti Taha Anti Si Taha Tha Hi Vaha Maha Te Ate Ante Se Ate Te E Vahe Mahe Bhavati Bhavataha Bhavanti Bhavasi Bhavataha Bhavataha Bhavami Bhavavaha Bhavamaha Labhate Labhete Labhante Labhase Labhete Labhatve Labhe Labhavahe Labhamahe Karoti Kurutaha Kurvanti Karoshi Kurutaha Kurutha Karomi Kurvaha Kurmaha Kurute Kurvate Kurvate Kurushe Kurvate Kurutve Kurve Kurvahe Kurmahe Kakara Tam An Sara Tam Ta Am Va Ma Ta Atam Anta
अकुरुद्धाः अकुर्वाधाम् अकुरुध्वम् अकुर्वी अकुर्वहि अकुर्महि अस्ति स्तः सन्ति असि स्तः स्तः अस्मि स्वः स्वः आसीत्
आस्ताम् आसन्
आसन्
आसीत्
आसन् आस्तत् आसम् आस्व आस्म
Asihi. Okay. Asihi. A is dirgha.
आसीहि
Okay. Arun, you can read the first line. Next line. Very good. Yeah. Again. Next line. Bharabhuta. Next line. Yes. So that you can read the whole thing.
येषां न विद्या न तपो न दानं ज्ञानं न शीलं न गुणो न धर्मः ते मर्त्यलोके भुवि भारभूताः भूताः मनुष्यरूपेण मृगाश्चरन्ति.
You know the meaning is, don't see the meaning, okay? Now, this is in Trishtup meter. Now we have to find where is the Kriya Padam. Yesham na vidya charanti. Ke charanti. Charanti is what is the meaning of charanti?
moves
Moves. Ke charanti. Yes, it is. Okay, before that, you have to split the sandhi. Yesham na vidya. When you split, you can mark the cases also. What case is Yesham? What's Pratipadika? Yet na vidya. What vibhakti it could be? It is vidya or vidyaha? Vidyaha or vidya?
विद्याः
Vidya. Vidya only. Na avyaya. Tapo.
तपः
Tapaha becomes tapo. What vibhakti is that?
प्रथम
One. Na avyaya. Danam. One. Jnanam. One. We cannot make it immediately whether it is one or what it will be. Now, all these are, now let us say, Jnanam 1, Sheelam 1, Guno, Gunaha, Dharmaha 1. Te 1, 3. Now we have to count because 1 is there, 1, 3 is there. How we are going to make these, arrange the words? You have to see. Martya Loke, Saptami. In the Martya Loka is Bhuloka. Martyaha means Manushyaha. Manushya is subject to death. Therefore Martyaha. Martya Loke is Manushya Loka. Loke Saptami. Bhuvi. Viga. Bhuda. Bhuva. Is the Pratipadika. Bhuva, Bhuva, Bhuvaha. It is that Bhukaranta Strilinga. Saptami will be Bhuvi. Bharabhutaha. 1, 3. Manushya Rupena 3. Now, what is that? Now, we are splitting the sandhi, set a mark in the vibhakti. Then, Mrgaha Charanti. Now, Ke Charanti, Mrgaha Charanti. Let us make the sentence. Mrgaha Charanti. Putra Charanti, Martya Loke. Martya Loke Mrgaha Charanti. Mrga means what?
beings.
Animals. Martya Loke Manushya Rupena Mrgaha Charanti. In the form of human beings, they move. Ke, te. The te should be connected to first line later. Te, those, Martya Loke, in the Prithvi, the Bhumi, Bhumau, Manushya Rupena Mrgaha Charanti. Right? They move around in this Bhuvi Bharabhotaha. They add only weight to the earth. Bhara is heaviness, heavy. They are nothing but they add only weight. Bhuvi Bharabhotaha. Bhuvi Bharabhotaha is must be one, I think. Okay. Bhuvi Bharabhotaha. Bhuvi should be Bhuvi Bharabhotaha. I check that later. In the Pratik. Bhuvi Bharabhotaha. Yes. Bhuvi Bharabhotaha goes together. Bhuvi and Bharabhotaha. Martyaloke Manushyarupena Mrigaha Charanti. Who are they? People. Those people. Those. Yesham. Na vidya. No knowledge. Na tapaha. No. Tapas is austerity. Tapaha could be penance. Or tapaha is some self-control. Right? Na tapaha. Na dhanam. They don't give anything also. Jnanam. That also not there. Na jnanam. Sheelam. That also not there. Guna. That also not there. Dharma. That also not there. Yesham. Na vidya. Asti. Yesham. Na tapaha. Asti. Yesham. Na dhanam. Asti. Yesham. Jnanam. Na asti. Nasti. Yesham. Sheelam. Nasti. Gunaha. Nasti. Dharma. Nasti. Te. Those. Martyaloke. In the Prithvi. Who are they? Mrigaha eva. They are animals only. Even though they move around the form of human beings. Manusya Rupena. What is their contribution to the earth? They add only weight. Bharabhutaha. Te. Martyaloke. Bhuvi Bharabhutaha. Bhuvi Bharabhutaha Martyaloke. Mrigaha Charanti. They are animals. It's not saying that like an animal. They are nothing but animals only. Manishya Rupena Mrigaha Charanti. Famous quote. This is from
Bharabhuta is
Niti Shataka.
burden or
Huh?
Bharabhuta? What is the translation?
What is the?
Translation.
Bhara is weight. Bhuta is in the form of weight. Okay. Bhara Bhuta.
Or it's actually two words.
Yes. Bhara Bhutaha in the form of Bhara, heavy, weight, burden. They add only weight, burden to the earth, nothing else. Okay. Now, just Subhashitam. You can write it later after the class. This is only one page we can do every day, right? Yeah, quickly. So you will, huh?
It's good.
Huh? Just one page you will read. Yeah.
Subhashita is this wisdom.
So, Subhashitam is Sushta Bhashitam. Okay.
This one, the Yesha and the
Now,
one third.
Marini, you can start. You can just read these words. Yeah. You know the meaning of all this?
Yes, Sanchika.
What is Sanchika?
Key or
Sanchika is bag. Syutaha. Sanchika, bag.
open?
Vidyut Deepaha, electric bulb. Darpanaha, mirror. Ramaha, Grantaha, book. Shloka, Gajaha, Sita. Gati is clock. Sanchika, Lekani, pen. Pustakam, book, Pushpam, flower, Vastram, Griham, Vastram, dress. Vastrani, Abhushanani, we saw that. Griham, house, Chitram, picture, Patram. Patram could be paper or leaf. Now, Riktastanani Sahasa Tat Eteshu Uchita Rupena Purayatu. Uchita Rupena Tritya Bhakti, right? The same way Manushya Rupena. This will come like that in the form of. We are going to see that in the translation will be in the form of. We are going to see. Purayatu. Purayatu is what? Lakara. Lord. May you. Purayatu. Singular. Now. Saha Ramaha. Saha Ramaha Sa Sita Tat Pustakam. Quickly we can do. You know, from this you can make out the gender.
Yes, first is good.
Easy, right? You can skip this. Okay, good. Bigger. No, if this is easy, that's all, nothing is there. We cannot do anything in this page. We'll move. Yeah, today nothing is there. Tomorrow you will see whatever comes, page number 6. Right? You know all the gender, right? Gender of the words. And meaning only is important. Meaning you know. I told the meaning. Nothing else to do in the lesson.
Gati is a watch. Gati? What is Gati?
Ghati, clock.
Clock, yeah.
Now. Vidyut Deepaha. Deepa means lamp. Vidyut is electricity. Electric lamp. Right? Now, take this book, manual. We'll continue from where we left. We left, well, the answers are not quite, I think. There we left. Number 13. Huh?
Yeah, the horses are not quite is done.
Page number 17. You must be knowing the page number.
Horses are not, the king is not pleased. The king is not pleased, that's what
Yeah,
we did.
from there we
We
should
did?
start.
King is not pleased is what
We have done that?
we
Okay, 16th.
Fifth.
Yeah, 16th, 15th.
15 on.
Okay. We'll start from this side. We'll do it. The crow pierces the fruit.
Pierces in the Kriya Padam means Vidhatu.
Yad.
Vyadhatu. Form is Vidhyati. Vidhyati. Subject is fruit. Karma is fruit. So the sentence is Kakaha Phalani Vidhyati.
Alam.
Pierces the fruit. Only one fruit.
Phalam Vidhyati.
Another word for kaka is not here, but kaka. Every time we are using kaka and kaka, we can use some other word. We have to develop your vocabulary. What is the word for kaka? Forgot.
Krishna Pakshi.
Black bird. Black. No, another name is I don't remember. Okay, next word. Next time. Surrender can read.
Myself?
Yeah. See, we have to slowly develop the vocabulary. I'll give parallel words. Paryaya Shabda.
The boys faint. Faint is the Kriyapada. Mudyati.
Yeah.
Balaha Mudyati.
Muhyanti.
Balaha Muhyanti.
Muhyanti. Mukh dhatu, faint. Right? Muhyanti, fainted. Balaha Muhyanti. Next person. Immediately.
The man blames the two servants. Naraha, Dasau, Nindati.
Again?
Naraha,
Then?
Dasau.
Daso?
Two. Dasaha is one.
Not Dasaha. Dasa means 10. In fact, Dasa is Dasha only, 10.
Okay, how to pronounce it?
You tell me how to pronounce. What is the first letter?
The.
It's a short one?
Yes,
Short one?
short one.
Sure. Check the vocabulary. What is the word for servant? Page number 11. You see you.
Yeah, Dakara.
The short one.
Dakara is short.
Page number 11. You see servant is
Dakara, then we have A, then we have Sakara.
They read that.
And then Dvitya, Dvivachanam.
Yeah, tell me the word now.
Dasau.
First you read.
Dasau, okay. Oh my god.
Understand the mistake?
Dasau.
Ah. Daso. Dasa means, what is dasa? Dasa doesn't mean anything. Dasha is a 10. So, the man blames the two servants. Naraha, daso,
Dasau nindati.
nindati. Next person. Maria, next.
Life without happiness becomes misery.
Yes.
Vina sukham jivanam bhavati dukkam.
Jivanam bhavati dukkham. Yeah. Good. Jivanam dukkham bhavati. Jivanam, it's a subjective compliment, right? Life becomes misery. I don't know between the subject and the subject complement, they are separated only by the verb in English. Is become, life is misery. Life becomes misery. Which is a subject? Life. Complement be misery. Jivanam dukkham bhavati. Jivanam one, dukkham also one. When? Sukham vina. Without sukham. Huh? Sukham antarena. Yes, without. Next person. Vina you will find it often used. Vina you will see in the third case also it will come. It will come in the next lesson.
We see the moon.
Yes.
Vayam chandram pashyamah.
Pashyam. Simple one. Next person.
Elephants live on both sides of the lake. Gadaha Kritam Hivayataha
Jivanti. So Gajaha Jivanti.
Pasati is okay.
Yeah, it's okay. Vasanti. Now this lesson is done. Now the next lesson, sixth conjugation is introducing. We will see it. We will just go to the dhatus. The derivation part we will see. Simple. Only. You know our first conjugation, fourth conjugation. Sixth conjugation will be very easy. No problem. What is the Ganavikana Pratyaya? Remember?
Shakara.
Sha. Sha. Sha is the Ganavikana Pratyaya. We should use it technically. Sha. The content of Sha is A. Is it Sarvadhatakam?
Sarvada.
Yes? Yes, Sarvadhatakam. Pith? Pitta?
No. Apit.
It is a bit, therefore guna will not happen. That's the only thing. Otherwise, same as the first gana. Sarvadhatakam, yes, it is a bit, therefore guna will not happen. Add the ganavikarna to the dhatu, then add a thing pratyaya. Just only addition, nothing else is. And the first dhatu of this gana is tud. Swamiji in the morning class he said, no, atti. Adyate, bhujyate, iti, bhogyaha. Annam. Adyate, bhujyate, iti, annam. That which is eaten. Adyate is karmani prayoga. We will see that later. Ad dhatu is the first dhatu in the second gana. Ad plus adi. Adadi. Second gana. Here tudadi is a tud plus adi. Tud is the first dhatu. Therefore tudadi gana. First gana is called
Bhavadi.
Not Bhavadi.
Bhavadi.
Vadi. Fourth gana
Divadi.
Divadi. Sixth gana tudadi. Tud means to strike. Tudadi. Okay, the lesson we will see many kriya padams will come. Now, we don't use the instrumental case, the names and all. We don't use the name instrumental case. We know the karaka name. What is the karaka? Karana karaka. The first one to indicate the agent of a passive verb. We have not yet studied that. Passive voice sentences. So don't worry about that. Skip it now. We will come to that later. Now the second one, to indicate the instrument which is used to do the action. Yes or no? What karaka is that? That is called karaka. Karana karaka. The boy hides his face with his hands. Balaha mukham astabhyam guhati. So astabhyam is tritiya vibhakti. It is the karana. Therefore karana karaka. Karana karaka already we know. Karaka we have seen in detail. So we will not bother about karaka. Now the third one. To indicate the person or thing accompanying the action. This also we saw. The 14th lesson. Pitra saha vipanim aham agacham. Sentence we saw. So that is called saha tritiya. You can note. What tritiya is that? Saha tritiya. Why it's called saha tritiya? Saha will come. Saha is the avya. What saha? Saha you can see here along with spelling saha. This is saha. Okay. This is saha. Can you define this?
No.
No. Avya, which means this meaning of saha is along with.
Is it upadana?
Yes, yes. It's upapada. Because of saha, pitru will be pitra. Tritiya vibhakti. Upapada. This vibhakti is called saha tritiya. Saha yukte tritiya vibhakti bhavati. If saha is there, it will govern third case. It is not a karaka vibhakti, it is upapada. Upapada is saha. Now we can see this lesson. To indicate the person or thing accompanying the action. Now, see the sentence. I go with the servant. Who goes? Aham gacchami. With the servant. Don't be, don't connect with this, therefore tritiya, nothing. I go, aham gacchami. Aham, the dasa is the servant is there. Abba, you going to, which vibhakti you are going to give to the servant? Can you try other vibhakti? Cannot be pratama. It is not karma, also cannot be possible. No karaka vibhakti is possible. Dasa is not the karana, the means of going also. It is not sampradana, not apadana, not adhikarana, cannot be shashti. It doesn't fit into any of the vibhakti. Therefore, you have to come to upapada. When it comes to upapada, it cannot be dvitiya, because dvitiya already we are saying. Therefore, dasena, tritiya vibhakti only it will come. Aham dasena gacchami. Even if saha is not there, it is understood. Even the word saha is not there, it is understood, it is there. Gacchami, the kriya padam, for which the karta is aham, I. But I go along with the servant. Servant also goes, two people go, right? But we don't say gacchavaha. That is not my vivaksha. That is not, I am not saying avam gacchavaha. My vivaksha is, I say, I am going. I am going with. Clear? My vivaksha is, I want to say, I am going. And accompanying the servant. Therefore, who is the pradhana karta in the sentence? Aham. Aham is the pradhana karta. Karta, because it is a karta, therefore, pratama vibhakti. Dasaha is not the karta, pradhana karta. He also goes, but he is not a karta. I accompany, I go along with the dasa. Therefore, tritiya vibhakti. Aham dasena gacchami. Saha is not there, you can supply. Even if it is not there, you can supply. In many places you will find saha may not be there. But to be understood. Yes.
So it's not karma in this case because it's not the object of the action.
Yes, not karana. It's not a karaka at all. Karaka is ruled out. Therefore it is upapada vibhakti. Even if saha is not there, you can supply within bracket. Aham dasena saha gacchami. Aham Ramaha Lakshmanaha Ramena saha vanam gacchati. Sita Ramena saha vanam gacchati. Right? Aham Acharyena saha Rishikesham gacchami. That's it. Right? Accompanying. Similarly, Vayam also. Vayam, we go with the teacher. Vayam Acharyena saha. Any word. Vayam Acharyena saha gacchamaha. Right?
So saha should be there.
Huh?
Saha should be there.
Even if it is not there, fine. Even if it is not there, it is understood. It is saha tritiya.
Sharanji,
Yes.
No, can you say
If I
aham dasena gacchami?
Hmm.
You can say aham dasena gacchami.
Why not? Yes.
Correct, huh?
Yes, yes.
okay, if I say I give with my hand,
Huh?
two examples to understand the difference. I give with my hand and the pigeon flies with the crow. With the crow. So
Okay.
this, how I'm going to differentiate? Like the pigeon flies with the crow is this.
This, yes.
This.
I give with my hands. Aham
is
karena.
Tritya.
That's
Is
karana.
Tritya.
Karana karaka. The means of giving is hand. Karana.
And flying with, pigeon flying with this
Yes.
is this thing.
Yes. Okay. Can be, why not? If it doesn't fit into the Karaka Vibhakti and the Upadam has to be there, yes. There is no restriction. It depends on the sentence. Right? The next one. The next one is important. In Vedanta also it will come. That is to indicate the reason or the cause. It's called Hetu. Hetau Tritiya. We call it as Hetau Tritiya. Hetau is Saptami Vibhakti of Hetu. Hetu Shabda, like Guru Shabda. Hetau Tritiya. That is, Tritiya Vibhakti is in the cause, in the sense of the cause, the reason. Right? So, and he's saying when you translate this cause or reason, on account of, that's the reason, out of, because of, this is how you translate in English. This gives you the reason, to express the reason, because of, account of. On account of misery, I leave the village. What is the reason for leaving the village? Because I am sad. Misery.
Optional. Tritiya and Panchami. For reason.
No. For Hetu, it is two things that can be used. But again, it depends on the sentence. Now, Dukkena Gramam Tyajami is a sentence. You can say Dukha also. Here it is okay. You have to see the sentence. Okay. For expressing the reason, the cause, we can use Tritiya and Panchami. Hetu Panchami also is there. Hetu Tritiya also is there. So that we have to see the sentence. In this sentence, I leave the village. Aham Tyajami. Tyajami gives, I leave the village. Or Gramam. Why? We have to ask why. What is the reason? Then Dukkena. Dukkha is a reason. Dukkha Karanena. Dukkha Karanena Aham Gramam Tyajami. Okay. We'll see many examples are going to come later. First to understand. It takes some time to work on this. So, to express the reason, Hetu, the cause, Tritiya Vibhakti is used. This is not Karaka. This is not Karaka Vibhakti. Okay, then the next one is to translate expressions like by name, by nature, by family, by birth. Example, Rama is a hero by nature. Ramaha Veera Bhavati. Now, by nature, for the word nature is Swabhava. Now, what Vibhakti will use? Tritiya Vibhakti. By nature is calm, is Viraha, Swabhavena. Swabhavena Ramaha Viraha Asti. Okay. These are only few Tritiya Vibhakti cases. There are some more are there, which is not given here, and we will see that later. So, if you see this expression by name, by family, by birth, right, by guna, by character, that's why etc. is there, by character, and whatever it comes later, we'll see the examples. So, Tritiya Vibhakti is used.
If we say by myself, by myself,
Tell me the sentence.
I did this by myself.
No. Why by myself?
No, because it's by name, by nature, by, and that's one.
Everywhere by is that there for Tritiya Vibhakti?
No, because there is etc. But in this etc. I don't know what to put. That's why. And this
But
came to my
can
mind.
you see the by name, by nature, by family, by birth, all
Okay,
this?
Rama killed Ravana by himself.
Uh-huh.
Then what will be?
What is the difference between this expression and Karna? Rama kills Ravana. Okay, Rama kills Ravana. Ramaha Swayam Ravanam Maritavan. That's all. By himself you want to say Svena, you can say Svena by himself.
This
Ra-
Svena is with Vibhakti?
Huh? Tritiya Bhakti, Svena. See, when Rama is the Rama does the action, Karta. By himself, Svena we can use. If you want to use the word Svena by himself, Svena. Svena Ramaha, Swayam Ramaha, Ramaha Swayam Ramanam Maritvan. That is the right translation, Swayam. Then the next one you see, with the prepositions, Saha and Vina. Vina also we saw in the second case. Tritiya also it can govern, Tritiya Bhakti also. Ramam Vina, Lakshmanaha Vanam Nagacchati. Ramayana Vina also we can use. So both are possible.
What is the difference between 3 and 6? 3 and 6.
3, what is 3?
To indicate the person or thing accompanying.
Uh-huh.
And 6. Both are.
Saha is same thing, 3 only. Along with is therefore is Saha. And Vina is without, that's all. Okay. So there is no difference, same one.
What
The
I mean is
preposition Saha.
Upapadam. Upapadam. Both are Upapadam.
Upapadam, yes, there is no difference. And with the Avyas, Alam and Kritam. Alam means enough. Alam Dukkena. So that will govern Tritiya Vibhakti. Alam and Kritam. Okay. So Alam Dukkena, enough with misery. Kritam Dukkena. Now we will go to the translation. Only when you read the sentences you will understand this. This is only the beginning. This has to get settled. There is no hard and fast. This is how it will come. You have to do some translation. Then only understanding will come. It takes some time. Okay.
Particle is this Kridanta, isn't it?
Huh?
Kridanta and particle are same, no?
Where is Pratikridanta?
No, we used to tell in the class Kridanta.
Kridanta is different. Kridanta is verbal derivatives. Kridanta plays the role of a verb. They are derived from the dhatu. And they can be declined. Declinable, like any shabda. In the many came, no? It's Vakshyamana, Gata, all these are Kridanta. Patitaha, Kridanta. Patitavan, Patitaha, Kaditaha, Vakshyamanaha. And morning Swamiji said that Pipada Ishan. Pipada Ishan. Yes. Big, the long one. It is a Kridanta. The dhatu is Pad dhatu with Upasarga Put. And Pad dhatu is Nich. And Nich, to Nich you add Sun. And to Sun you add Shatru Pratyaya. So Pipada Ishan. Pipada Ishat Takaranta Shabda. Then become a decline. Those are Kridantas. Okay. Now let us translate this. Yes. There are.
I wish happiness.
Sukham Vichchami, yes. Simple. Sukham Vichchami, I think is there in this. Then, Chaturthi also is giving, I think. Chaturthi Bhakti also. So, we will do the Chaturthi also and then come to the exercise. Because second sentence is Viraya is a Chaturthi Bhakti. So, we will do the Chaturthi also. Chaturthi Vibhakti, the first one, to indicate the indirect object of verbs, meaning to give, to send, to promise, to show. indirect object of verbs. Acharyah Shishyebhyah Pustakani Echati. Who gives the book? Acharya, the Karta. What is the object of giving books? To whom does he give? Two objects are there here. If you ask, whom does he give? Shishya, number one. And what is the object of giving? Pustaka. Both are karma only. Two karmas are there. Yes? Yes or no? So H dhatu, give, has two karma. What is given, that is karma, and to whom you give, that is also karma only. Like suppose I ask question. I ask question. What do I ask? Question. Question is what? Vibhakti? What karaka? I ask the students a question. Students also, whom do I ask? Shishyam Prichani. Shishyam Prashnam Prichani. Two karmas will be there. Now, for the dhatu, to give, to send, to promise, to show, for these dhatus with this meaning, if it comes, the object of giving, that will be karma. To whom it goes, that is Chaturthi, that is called Sampradana Karaka. We saw that. The recipient of the result of action will be Sampradana and will be fourth case. This is Sampradana Karaka. Already we have seen this, nothing new in this. Acharyah Pustakani Echati Kebhyaha Shishyebhyaha. Yach, the dhatu, that is the dhatu with the meaning to give, to send, to promise, to show, will govern the indirect object in Chaturthi Vibhakti. Why? Because it is Sampradana. Here using the indirect object. It's okay. Direct object is Pustaka. That is a karma. Karma will be in Dvitiya Vibhakti. That is direct object. Indirect object is to whom it goes. That is indirect object. Sampradana Karaka. Therefore Chaturthi Vibhakti. Clear? Yes?
Pustakani wasn't there.
Huh?
Pustakani wasn't there. Students will also be.
It depends on your Vibhaksha. You can say Acharyah Shishyam Echati. You can say nothing wrong. You can say. But we say with these dhatus, if these dhatus will govern Chaturthi Vibhakti. Not govern. With these dhatus, H dhatu meant to give, Ta dhatu to give. When this comes, when two karmas are there, the indirect karma will take Chaturthi Vibhakti. You can say Agam Acharyam, Acharya Shishyam Dadati. You can say nothing wrong there. Right? No Upadam here. This is Karka Vibhakti. Where is Upadam? What Upadam is there here? Or Karaka. Pustakam is Karaka, Karma Karaka. Shishya is Sampradana Karaka, Chaturthi Vibhakti. Right? Even in the examples of Karaka, we saw like these sentences. Many sentences we saw. Agam Shishyam Prichati. I asked a student. Agam Prashnam Prichati. I asked a question. To whom do I ask? Shishyaya Prashnam Prichati. I ask a question to the student. Shishyaya is a don't translate for the student. I ask a question to the student. I ask the student a question. Right? Then, after verbs meaning to be angry with, to desire, to long for, important. These dhatus with this meaning will govern Chaturthi Vibhakti. Father is angry with the son. Who is angry? Janaka. And the dhatu is Kup dhatu, Kupyati. Fourth gana. So Janakaha Kupyati. Kupyati. Can you say Janakaha Putram Kupyati? No. Kup dhatu and the to desire and to long for. To desire is some dhatu is Spirg dhatu. Spirg, I think. So these dhatus with this meaning will govern Chaturthi Vibhakti.
So can we say that these 6 dhatus will always be under Chaturthi Vibhakti?
Which 6 dhatus. Yeah, I can say.
To give, to send, to promise, to show.
But the difference between the first and two is, the first, if it's an indirect object, Chaturthi Bhakti. The second one, there is no such thing, direct, indirect. When these dhatus are there, Chaturthi Bhakti only to be used. So Kupyati is the Chaturthi Bhakti. Okay. We will see this dhatu, to desire, to long for, it comes later. The exercise we will see. So Janakaha Putran Kupyati, you cannot say. Janakaha Putraya Kupyati. Okay. Snigyati also like that. To love, it will come, I think it comes later, we'll see. Then, the third one, to express the purpose of action. He goes for war. Yuddhaya Gacchati. Kaha, somebody. Ramaha, let us say. Ramaha Yuddhaya Gacchati. The purpose of action, the Gamana Kriya is done for the Yuddha. Yuddhaya you can say, Chaturthi Bhakti. Sometimes you will find Yuddhartham. Yuddhartham also you will find. Yuddhartham also in the meaning of Yuddhaya. That also has a sense of Chaturthi Bhakti. In Bhashyam you will find such words. Yuddhartham. Kimartam. Yes, we ask Kimartam. Tam Kimartam Gacchasi. Bhojanaya Gacchami. I go for the purpose of going. That is what we say. Purpose of doing the action. This also we saw in the Karaka. The purpose of doing. What is the purpose of doing? Kimartam. Yes, why not? Bhojanartham. Bhojana. That is the abstract. Bhojana. To that you add artham. That will have the Chaturthi sense. Bhojanaya. Bhojanartham is Bhojanaya. Yuddhartham is Yuddhaya. But you cannot decline Bhojanartham. Okay. Bhojanartham is Bhojanartham only, which has a sense of Chaturthi Bhakti. So he goes forward. Saha Yuddhaya Gacchati. In the Vashyam, if at all, if it comes somewhere, Yuddha something Artham, you can make it as a Chaturthi. Stutyartham, yes, the same. Then, to indicate the person or thing for whose advantage the action is done. We know this. For whose sake the action is done. This also comes under Karaka only. The result of the action, the recipient of the result of action. Right? He digs a well for the sons. Kupam Putrebhyaha. Kupam Putrebhyaha Kanati. Somebody, father, Janakaha. Janakaha Kanati. What? Kupam. For whom? The result of that will go to the sons. Therefore, Sampradana Putrebhyaha. Not Ka. This is not Upapada. Here, this book is giving everything. Okay. It is not classifying it as Karaka or Upapada. No. It is giving all the possible fourth cases. But we have to understand which is what. So, Upapada here, there is no Upapada so far. So far we have not seen any Upapada. Only we have seen to be angry with, to be desire, to long for. If these dhatus are there, it will govern Chaturthi Vibhakti. Number 2, you mark it. Right? Number 2 only. Other things are discussed under Karaka Vibhakti. Then, after words indicating movement. Dasaha Gramaya Gacchati. Gramam Gacchati also you can say. Right? Because the place of destination. Karma. Ramaha, Dasaha Gramam Gacchati is okay, you can say. Gramaya Gacchati also it's okay. Accepted. Chaturthi Bhakti. Right? The sixth one is the Upapada. This also I've been telling this before. Namaha, Swasti, if these words come, then it will govern Chaturthi Bhakti. Nirvaya, Swasti. Namaha comes, Namavali, all these are Upapada. Namaha and Swasti govern Chaturthi Bhakti. So 2 Upapada Vibhaktis can call 2. One is with the dhatus, Kupyati, to desire and to long for. If these dhatus come, use Chaturthi Bhakti, number 1. And number 2, Namaha Swasti. If these words come, use Chaturthi Bhakti. Everything other than this is in this lesson, Karaka Vibhakti. The result of action goes to whom? And the purpose of action, all these are karaka. The fifth one is in addition to karma. Dasaha, gramam gacchati, gramaya gacchati. Both are okay. Both you can say. Right? Now, the first sentence you can do. Then the second one. Veeraya. I'll do it. You can listen. Veeraya kusumani ecchati nripaha. Okay, yes, jumble the sentence. You can arrange properly for your understanding. Ecchati. Kaha ecchati? Kusumani ecchati. Right? Kusuma is karma. So, nripaha kusumani ecchati. The king gives flowers. Yakshi is there. Therefore, remember, Chaturthi Bhakti will come. And two karmas are there. One is Kusuma, other one is Veera. The Veera is a recipient of the Kusuma. So he is not a direct object. The direct object is what he gives. Therefore, Veeraya. Sampradana. Veera is Sampradana Karaka. Therefore, Veeraya. So, Nripaha Veeraya Kusumani Ecchati. Right? Shriharaha Balam Dashati. Fox. Shivara is fox. Dashati bites. Whom does he bite? Bala, boy. So there is no Chaturthi here, simple sentence. Karta and karma. Right? Other sentences you can just read. And come tomorrow, we'll see. The fifth one you see, Bharena Rasaha Shamyati, by weight. Is on by Ram, by nature, by virtue, by guna, Bharena. Okay, we'll read this and come, we'll do it tomorrow. Om Purnamada Purnamidam Purnat Purnamudachyate Purnasya Purnamadaya Purnamevavasishyate. Om Shanti Shanti Shanti. Hari Om Shri Gurubhyo Namaha. See, this karaka and this, it comes only by practice.